Protecting your Jeep or truck is important, both on and off the road. And when you're driving through the mountains, you never know what you're going to face. That's why Rancho has made the RockGEAR line, to protect your ride and look cool while doing it. The RockGEAR line by Rancho has many parts. We have them installed on this Jeep JT Gladiator, but Rancho has RockGEAR products for other vehicles as well. When lifted, the undercarriage of your ride is exposed and you may want to deck it out a bit. The RockGEAR front and rear differential covers are a great addition to any lifted Jeep or truck. They help protect your differential from damage and keep fluid in to keep the gears moving. And moving gears means more time to spend off-road. The differential covers are made from a thick, nodular iron for added strength and internal gear protection. The outside of these covers has a ribbed construction for more durability in any terrain. With an offset and oversized fill plug, adding fluid is much easier and takes less time than the average differential covers. And with all that added protection, Rancho hasn't forgotten about style. The differential covers have a durable Rancho red powder coat finish to add flair to your ride. All of the Rancho RockGEAR products have a 1-year limited warranty. And if you are looking to purchase any of the Rancho RockGEAR products mentioned today or wanting to have them installed, check out our dealer locator below. And as always, thanks for watching in the garage. We'll see you next time.